Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Huh. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Khago with a song called 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane. Yeah, boy. Yo, that warrior nice, brother. That warrior nice. Yo, fuck. Yeah, so Khago there with 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane. So, 𝐑𝐑�𝐀ane. So, we are going forward straight to that one. I literally just dropped, like, probably 10 minutes ago. Me tell you something, me there by my computer, me sit down, so I'm here refresh my YouTube channel to make sure, say, yo, as something drop the catch it, blood clot. Yo, put some respect on my name. Put respect on my 𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿 name. I'm the quickest reactor. Don't ramp. Anyway, let's go another one and hear what I want.
Yeah, hear me not scatter.
𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿, this is the martial art rhythm. They get karate, me see them with karate. Yo, blood clot, classic. This I want classic rhythm. Let me hear it. Khago do on the rhythm, because this is a fucking classic. Big up Scatter Barrel, big up yourself.
Yeah, hear me not scatter.
Yeah,
take you out of your career. Boy, spread out on his face and a flutter.
The man say man take the war out of the aquarium. So what it means, say, yo, the whole heap of fishing lyrics in the dep on that. He might take it out of the aquarium. You understand? So, hear me no Scatter, big up yourself. Hear him, big up yourself.
Yeah, hear me no scatter. Yeah, take you out of your career. Boy, spread out on his face and a flutter. This was man, we put a tripod, the war figure dead.
𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿. The first man we put a foot, I try part the warrior got dead. Me no want nobody in the warrior. Me no want nobody a part the warrior. Me no want nobody get involved in the warrior. This one is personal. Khago did don't tell us that one is personal. This one is personal. This is between me and I-Octane. Me no want nobody get involved in the one. That is what Khago is saying. Basically, when him say in on nobody part the one. Any man think them bad? If you part it, you go dead. So don't go in there. The man say 10 years to beef you cook up final. 10 years of beef you cook. Well season long. We can't pass. 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane, find a rhythm, 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane, find the 𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿 rhythm. Now. 𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿. First him say collateral damage, the whole place red. Then him say, yo, I go circle boy house when them asleep in a bed and burn it down flat. Buckle boom in your house, 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane, the man say. The man say, buckle boom in your house, 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane. What you say? 𝐑𝐄𝐀ane? Nobody can move. No resident see no evil, hear no evil. No resident can move, walk and live, talk and 𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿 dead. No resident can see nothing. Nobody can see nothing. Even if you see me, you don't see me. Nobody can move. Nobody can talk. When you pull up in the car park. What you say?
Everybody can move, nobody can talk. When the guns them a park up in the car park. You know see your dead boy, them one pin jet up kill all of them. Bang
𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿, bang. You know see your dead boy them?
You know see your dead boy, them one pin jet up kill all of them. Them know me not too friendly. Greenfield and George's Valley. Murder rate turn up totally. Why you fi go down in a hole normally?
You know say me not too friendly, brother. That's why I have to kill you. Remember say me not too friendly. Remember say we were friends and then you violate. That is what Khago is saying. We were friends and then you violate. We're not too 𝐵𝐵𝐿𝐿 friendly, brother. So you know, so you have to go there.
You know I'm not too friendly. Greenfield and George's Valley. Murder rate turn up totally. Why you fi go down in a hole normally? Sky God step in at the
my God. Boy, head a pop off a neck like Dolly. Boy, head a pop off a neck like Dolly. Me blood clot. Give me one of them there. Give me one of that. Give me one of that. This bad. This blood clot bad. This bad. I don't care what I say. This bad.
I got step in the scheme and a bunny. Why you da pop off a neck like Dolly? Everything in the clip try to make him have it. Why you fit cut to the place and you're at it? One man against the world, I make that. No interview, me not take no shot.
One man against the world, I mean that. No interview. So I don't want nobody will do interview. No presenter, no host, no nothing. Call me because I not do no interview. Me not take no chat from no now. No. You see me? One man against the world. I'm going to kill 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. That's the way Khago say, not me.
One man against the world, I make that. No interview, me not take no shot. None of your friends them can't set me up, dopey back. Somebody you feel that make you some again.
None of your friends them can't set me up. Remember say me not stray? And even if me go up on the road, my head back lock. So remember say, yo, none of your friends them can't set me up. Somebody have to dead for the summer. Somebody have to dead.
None of your friends them can't set me up, dopey back. Somebody you feel that make you some again. If you gonna rise up, somebody you figure them. See you not bad, dopey back. Make you see them.
When me gonna rise, somebody you figure down. Pussy in the butt, dopey butt in the butt. Something, I'm saying.
If you gonna rise up, somebody you figure them. See you not bad, dopey back. Make you see them.
Pussy in the butt, dopey butt, they just sit down. Yo.
If you gonna rise up, somebody you figure them. See you not bad, dopey back. Make you see them. Badness up, pick up in a church, if you put up. One bag of man, the back of you, that you not sit down. Kill wick.
Badness you pick up in a church if you put on one bag of man, the back of your better not sit down. Boy, your face, you fuck. You're the man face, the brother.
Kill boy, broad day like the done. Body in a road, all about the dead. Sandy be a bad boy, done. Get where you go, lick up boy, check a joke on a road. You know they get me rotty, and I'm not karate. Bang a them a gun down boy in a party.
You don't get me ratty, and then a karate. Bang of them a gun down boy in a party. You don't get me ratty, me see them with karate. Here King Slassy. See, you know, yeah. He knows the karate rhythm. So I'm gonna drop something about karate there, sir.
Sandy be a bad boy, done. Get where you go, lick up boy, check a joke on a road. You know they get me rotty, and I'm not karate. Bang a them a gun down boy in a party. Them know say I'm started, so pussy China party.
Them know say I'm started, so pussy China party. So I'm a one against the down part that one here.
Put up boy heads, drive by Maserati. Could I try Illuminati? This big black party. Coffee boy, anyone like a John God. Shut your way.
You could have giant Illuminati, brother. You still a get him. Maybe go for boy anyway like John Gotti. Bad. If you don't know who John Gotti is, go do the research.
Jamaica can't tell the boy from coffee.
Jamaica can't tell the boy different from coffee. Jamaica can't tell the boy different from to us. Yeah, to us.
Step up anywhere you feel a carrying gun. Because no boy can't put no ring on the jet on. Before me touch a man, let me ready a shot a man. Stand up in a day we a boy when he black a bang. Nobody no move scatter when them have a proof. In a we a boy shirt, not even brother shoes.
Nobody no move scatter with them have a proof. We no wear boy shirt, not even brother shoes. Bumbo class.
Small fuck face, now get the confused. We get your famous, put your on prime time.
Hold on them man. Something else. Just something else.
Them have a proof. In a we a boy shirt, not even shut your head from hand and you can't lick a coffee. Jamaica can't tell the boy from coffee. Don't a just step up anywhere you feel a carrying gun. Because no boy can't put no ring on the jet on. Before me touch a man, let me ready a shot a man. Stand up in a day we a boy when he black a bang. Nobody no move scatter when them have a proof. In a we a boy shirt, not even brother shoes. Mash mouth fuck face, now get it confused.
Mash mouth fuck face. Now get it confused.
We a boy shirt, not even brother shoes. Mash mouth fuck face, now get it confused. We get your famous, put your on prime time. Get me ready, and then the karate. Bang a them a gun down boy in a party. They know say I'm started, so pussy China party. Shoot up boy hands, drive by in Maserati.
Yo, Khago. Hold on, wait, Khago. Me still talk to you. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, me I talk to you first. Where you got trouble Khago for, brother? Like, no, not even trouble. Where you got answer Khago for? Where you got answer him for? You shouldn't. Yo, me don't tell you from the first reaction, say, yo, Khago not have nothing for lose, and Khago not have nothing to do right now. 𝐑𝐿𝐴, Khago not have nothing for lose, my brother. Khago not have Khago wasn't working on an album, Khago wasn't working on no projects. Khago wasn't dropping songs like that. Not what I know of anyway before this, brother. So where you got trouble? Where you got trouble? Where you got answer Khago for? Khago, your turn, bro. Bro, the fuck? Dog. Brother, big up yourself, dog. That's all I'm gonna say. Big up yourself. That warrior nice. That warrior nice. Big up both artists. We put it on a show for we. That warrior nice. Me love it. Me love it. Yo, comment section is open. Do what I do in the comment section. Quick and fast. No waste no time. And I'll definitely guys see you in the next one, yo. Whoa.